Hey, welcome to this video on how to make a Prezi video. I'm going to go ahead and get started. And as I'm logging in, I will just say that Prezi video has seriously changed my life as a teacher, and I really hope that you find this as useful as I have. To get to the video, first you log in to Prezi, and you want to make sure that you are looking at the video tab to the left, or that I guess you're looking at the options to the left and video is selected. I think the easiest way to start your own video is clicking on Advanced Create here in the top menu bar and scrolling down to Create Now. I'm actually going to turn off my notifications. Perfect. Okay, from here, these are different templates that you can use in your Prezi video. So basically like the content that will appear on the screen next to you as you are recording. I'm going to click this template right here. And just takes a moment to load. You'll notice that the content is all on the side and that this space, when you actually hit allow camera, this will be where your face appears. So all of this here is editable. You can change everything. And so all you do is you click and select the words. And I'll do making a Prezi video. I actually want this to be centered. And so these are what I like to use as just my subtopics as talking points. And so if I was creating a Prezi video on how to make a Prezi video, I would title this topic just logging onto Prezi. I'm not a fan of the left alignment, so I'm going to keep this centered and even make it a little bigger. And to click on or change the words here, you really need to be careful, because if you just click the tag, you'll go out of the tag. And so all you have to do is click on the word that you want to change, wait for it to be selected, and then double click it. Selecting a template. Let me change the alignment. I'm very much change as you go. You can even use the arrows on your computer keyboard. Great. Smart goals, I will change to allow camera. And you know what? I will make this centered. I love how you can get the font the same size because it shows by highlighting everything else that's the same size. And I'll change schedule to allowing or syncing with meets. Let's see if it'll fit on the tag. It does. Okay. Now you'll notice that these, the same thing is on here. So if I, click out to Overview, this tag right here is going to be the same as this. So if I highlight here, you'll see that the development to the left is highlighted. Same thing with selecting a template, allowing camera, and then when I change the titles inside here, that will change the title there. So I'm going to click on development, and then I'm going to change this title to log on to Prezi. I will edit the text that follows below there later. And when I click on the overview, I'll see that now this slide is labeled logging on to Prezi. Milestones is the same thing as selecting a template, so I'm going to click here, change this to selecting a template. I'll go back and change that text later. Here I've got two subtopics. So let's see, I actually had this titled as allowing camera. And I'm going to delete these. I'm just clicking them and clicking delete. I'll show you what allowing camera does very soon. And then syncing with meets. This, I probably will keep the subtitles or subtopics here because I think I am going to want subtopics in terms of the meets. Perfect. So now, in order to make this turn into an actual video, all you do is make sure that you've got your correct camera. I'm going to use the FaceTime. You click Allow Camera. Boom, there you go. You see yourself. And you'll see that the background just turns into whatever background that you have behind you. And then everything here is the information that you edited. So now if you look over to the right, the next step would be to click on Record Video, if you are indeed recording your video. A new tab comes up, and then Prezi is looking for your microphone, it is looking for your camera. And this is the screen that pops up when you record your video. You've got some options here too. So if you look at the menu here at the bottom left, you'll see this icon. If you click that, you only have you. There is no graphics in the background. When you select the second one, that's when it's the you and the graphics side by side. And then let's say though that there's something in the graphics that you want your students to see and really clearly, all you do is click on the third option, and you can even select, oops, on the graphics itself, and it will zoom to it. The arrows here on the side will allow for the zooming features, so moving to your directions or the assignment checklist, whatever it is, notes that you want to go over with them, and pictures even. It's super helpful. Great, so that is how you record a video in Prezi, and I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching.